you up, that's what you do.
And 9 times out of 10 you can hear them yell, clear building!
We need to figure out call-outs for shit like that. So see this pallet up in front of us here?
Huh?
That there we're gonna call ruins because it's not too what it is. I am at the wharf and I'm digging a hole. Diggy diggy hole. Diggy diggy hole. The fuck? This guy. I say I'm gonna run. a nice recolor of shit stained brown.
Hold on. We gotta clean it. Gotta clean up here.
Ow. Actually doesn't hurt as much as the other boots.
He's my cookie. Fuck off.
Nah, fuck that noise. Ow. It's my ass.
Yay! Funny noise!
Yay! It's just pure autism. Again. Man flu. Ah, yay. Ben, you're always wet. Ah, I love you too. I watched you just bend down double. Go. No. Don't shoot. You can take a minute when we get to that blue building. The orange ones are. I don't know why they started all the way down here. They're in that field, all of them. They've got the tracker. It's moving. Southwest. Back down towards the bunker. I reckon what we do is some of our team will push over that way. So I reckon we tail end them. Do not shoot a single one. Don't shoot a single one unless they shoot at you first. Wait until our team hits the front of them. When our team hits the front of them, we hit the back. block him in. Yo, shh. All of them, other fields, taking a stretcher down that way.
Then we're trying to get behind them then? Absolutely rape them, gun them stuff?
Get behind them, but don't shoot until you're behind them. Don't shoot until you're at least like 10 feet away. Use whatever piece of cover you can. And move as singles, don't move in doubles or packs.
Should we cover it?
No. Don't shoot until you're right behind them.
Yeah, we were doing cover.
Go door. Turn around, go that way. Hit! Oh, close. One in that tree line down there somewhere. See where our boy is there?
Yeah.
There's one directly in front of him. I think it's a ghillie, I can't see him.
Do you not have all gillies?
Huh?
Do you not have all gillies?
Do we have Alex?
I believe Alex told me.
Do we?
I don't know.
No idea.
I haven't seen him.
I think any of the ghillies too.
Up in his van.
Fuck's sake, your camera got shot again.
I know, I shot it.
Why?
I wanted to. Here. Created the van.
We know. No, him and you right in the knuckle. Nah, armoured. Armoured? Oh, fuck.
Because whenever you get hit in the fingertip, that's the worst of the worst.
He's been hit as well. you wanna...
I see him.
You see him? Shoot him.
He's moving. I just saw his head move. There's also someone coming up this
Last
way.
I heard through the radio, hostages in scrapyard.
Do you have that plugged in?
I just heard it from Vessers. He was stood literally the distance between me and you. Yo.
What?
Do you wanna go all the way down, jump across? They're the stretch. Last I heard, stretchers in scrapyard. I don't know if it stopped moving. Last we heard about 5 minutes ago it was in scrapyard. Don't know if it's moved or not since then. Last we heard it was in scrapyard. Don't know if it's been moving or stopped there. You're not going to be able to get that back if you let it off in the caravan. You can't go in the caravan.
What?
You can't go in the caravan. You won't be able to get that back.
Letting this off inside of it.
Okay.
I've got a live grenade here.
Let's go see the teammates. Okay. Hello. You talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Is that our guys up there or is it them?
Our guys are behind the truck. I think their guys are in the fort.
Alright.
Yeah, see him?
Not really, no. Oh, yeah. Ah, this is a shambles.
Huh?
This is a shambles, 60 seconds. Fuck it. It won't kill me, right? Boom.
We got these guys in here for a while, but we're gonna get marked.
Over! Magazines right! Clear weapons! Safety good!
It's light!
Tis. I need to get this fucking jacket off of me. I am burning.
See him? Fucking breathe. I've been inhaling my own carbon monoxide for this whole game.
What?
When I'm walking.
You've been inhaling carbon monoxide?
Yeah.
What from?
I exhale carbon monoxide from the nose.
Yeah. So what the fuck you inhale? How did? Turn around.
Yes. I was fucking bringing in that trumpet. You're my fucking secret weapon now.
What's your name now? Aston. I'm Dougie.
If that's what we're trying to so we're gonna
My actual name's Tyler, but no one calls me Tyler. Everyone calls me Dougie.
Right, that's your new fucking name. Next time I'm
reason duck is because duck and duck. No, make a fucking make a punch. Oh, it's on this side. What? I know Structures in Scarborough. Or farther down than that. Ah, Brooklyn! Hello! I believe I hit you in the first game. Yeah, you. I think you were rushing the compound. I just picked up.
Ah, that was you.
Yeah,
fucking
whack-a-mole.
Yeah, I was about to pull out my Nerf gun out of my pocket and shoot you.
Oh no, not the Nerf X150 blaster.
That kid in the blue shot me right in the cock.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
shit.
was behind cover too. The BB just curled around. Fucking.
Ah.
6 feet under.
Lucky you got a new bucket.
Huh?
Lucky you got a new bucket.
Oh, what? Yo, let's feel it. Looking good.
Got push-ups.
Oh,
Yep.
Oh, you're weird.
Oh, cameras?
Work for actual comms.
They will. I just need to order that part that adapts it.
Yeah,
Cause my radio is like fucking trying to shove a dick into a fanny that you can't fit in. It's the best description of it.
I love it.
Oh my. I'm cooking in this jacket. This jacket's I bought this jacket for going skiing up fucking mountains where like the temperatures are below -15. It's fucking, what is it, 6 degrees and I'm running. What am I doing? What am I doing?
Have you heard the word going around today, mate?
No.
Fucking after the sheep snip and gauntlet for that. Birthday, mate. Wait, where is it? Sheep snip, that big green one over there?
Yep. So he'll go jump into that and then run.
I'm gonna spit in it before you go in it. Wait, so I've got to jump in that, then run
Nah,
into there.
spitting in it isn't going to do anything, mate. There is any gods and motherfucking diseases and creepy crawlies in there. I've been in it.
It's gonna get chlamydia or whatever.
Dude, I would be surprised. I would be surprised if whenever he got over it, he didn't just immediately get stage 4 cancer.
Yeah, you come out with 4 eyes and a tail.
You got any Radaway?
Huh?
You got any Radaway?
Are you ran away?
You play Fallout?
No.
You haven't played Fallout? Oh, fuck.
I used to play a tiny bit, like, but
Alright.
I've never played that game most of my entire life.
I always tried to get like really big into it and then just like drop off of it. Oh, shooting range. He's got a fair amount of shooting range. Like. I think they're shooting at us. I don't really know. Oh, the socks? Oh, no, just the bright red. You liking the stickers too?
100%, Yo,
the stickers.
Oh,
bro,
equip
next thing I'm getting is fucking knee pads. So I can just fucking slide. You see, in springtime, in spring edging into summer, whenever you slide, if you manage to, you can do it if you have like really good gloves on. You can put your hand behind you and push up off the ground, slide cancelling.
Proper slide cancelling.
I used to do it all the fucking time in the Saturday games, and it scared the shit out of people. It was like
I'm not there looking in front of them for someone here behind them. Go ahead,
you're just watching me run from like blue building to orange building. You see me on the floor, and the next minute I'm standing up. It's like, hold on a fucking minute, how'd this happen?